And I want you to hit right on here, okay? Okay.
Ready?
Yep, hit hard. Hard. As hard as you can. There we go. Good job.
It's just more fun with a bigger gun.
It's more fun with a bigger gun. Hi everybody, here we are back in Sketchyville again. Today, Roman and I here get to work on Bertha again. We're going to be doing an upper ball joint on the driver's side. Ro is going to be assisting me, and we are going to be knocking that thing right out of it. Hopefully afterwards we'll be able to get it aligned and get everything taken care of. So, you ready, Ro?
Mm-hmm.
Let's get going. Okay, so we got the tire off. What we're going to be doing in here is we're going to be replacing this upper control arm here because that's got the ball joint in it. The ball joint started going bad. We're going to be taking this strut out first. We're going to have to be taking some bolts out up top here, down in this area right here. Be taking those bolts out first, and we'll come back around here again. Take some bolts right here out. And then we will be taking this off. We'll be marking these first so that we can get our alignment taken care of. We want to be making sure that we are this little slide washer there. We need to make sure that we line it back up with a little pip there so that our alignment is at least reasonably close until we can get it aligned afterwards. We're going to be loosening up this nut here, and then we will use a pry bar and hammer and we'll knock that a little loose, and we'll take these bolts out and we'll be sliding the new one in reverse. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so we got the top of the strut all loosened up. Next we are going to take care of this anti-lock brake wire here. We're going to take that bracket off to make sure that it's out of the way so that we can get the bolt out here, and then we will move on to the next step. Now that we have the strut out of there, we're going to get back here on the bolt on this side and get it loosened up after we mark it so that we can make sure that our alignment is at least close when we're done here. We're also going to be marking this one and loosening that one up as well. You to hit right on here, okay? Okay.
Ready?
Yep, hit hard. Hard. As hard as you can. There we go. Good job.
It's just more fun with a bigger gun.
It's more fun with a bigger gun. Okay, well, we just got back from town. How many parts stores did we end up having to go to?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 parts stores?
Yeah, 4.
So we had to go to 4 parts stores because Roman the Barbarian broke some parts. So what we have here is the control arm bolts. As you can see, sheared the head off of one of them completely. It's supposed to look like this. So we had to pick up 2 new control arm bolts right over here. That's what it's supposed to look like. So we're gonna get back to work now. We're gonna get this thing put back together. I believe we have all the parts we need. The only thing that we have left that we do need to go pick up is a grease gun because I can't seem to locate mine. So we're gonna get back to it.